Hello and welcome to Kalium. In this video, we're going to create a staging site using a WordPress plugin. You will learn how to export and import your WordPress installation to a new destination using the all-in-one WP migration tool. To start, click on Plugins in the WordPress admin panel, then Add New Plugin. Search for All-in-One WP Migration and click Install Now. After the plugin is installed, activate it. Next, go to the All-in-One WP Migration menu item and click Export. Before exporting, set replacements for your destination URLs. Remove the URL schema from both URLs, as this is more accurate. Then click the Export To button and choose File. The export process will take a few seconds. Click the Download button to download the exported site. After the download is completed, head to the staging website where you want to import the site data. Go to Plugins, click Add New Plugin, search for All-in-One WP Migration. Click Install Now. Then activate the plugin. Go to the All-in-One WP Migration menu item and click Import. Select or drag the downloaded site export file to the marked area and wait for the process to finish. It's important to know that the PHP limits, such as memory limit, max execution time, and upload file size, are crucial when importing the site to ensure proper import without failure. After the import process is completed, click Proceed to replace the site data. Once this step is completed, click the Finish button, and your staging site is set up and running. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, be sure to subscribe and explore our other videos for more tips on getting the most out of Kalium.